George, are you camping with Granny and Grandad? Are you going to have some tea with Granny and Grandad? Yeah. George, what did you see when you went for a walk with Daddy? What did you see? A bike? Yeah. Did you see a helicopter? Did you see a helicopter?
Did you see a woodpecker?
Woodpecker? Did you? Did you see a woodpecker? A woodpecker? Yeah. Yeah.
Some ducks.
You see some ducks? You see some ducks? Yeah. Were they asleep? Ducks asleep? Oh, and some sheep. Oh, he says sheep, not sleep. He saw some sheep. Yeah, he did. He saw some sheep. And now you're going to have some tea with Granny and Grandad, aren't you? Yeah. Is it nice, George? Is it nice? Nice, George. What have you got? What's that? What is it?
Red pepper.
Red pepper. Can you say red pepper?
Red pepper.
And what you got, Granny?
I've got chicken.
And what's Daddy got? Sausage. What's Grandad got?
Stick here in a minute.
Ready, steady,
Go!
go! Ready, go! You missed a steady out, George.
Ready, go!